Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ria Study Circle. Before start the video, please do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. So today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 10 direct and inverse proportion. In that exercise 10.3 first, second and third, fourth problems. So let's start with first problem. First problem is Siri has enough money to buy 5 kg of potatoes at the price of 8 rupees per kg. How much can she buy for the same amount if the price is increased to 10 rupees per kg? So here she has some amount in her hand. So if the potatoes per kg 8 rupees, she can buy with that amount 5 kg of potatoes. If the price of potatoes is 10 rupees, how much she can buy with the same amount? That is the question. We have to find how many kgs she can buy with the 10 rupees per each kg. So first we have to write the given quantities, that is potatoes and amount. So see, 5 kgs she can buy if the amount of potatoes 8 rupees per kg. Next one, how many kgs she can buy if the price of potatoes is 10 rupees per kg. We have to find the quantity. So here if you see, amount is increased from 8 rupees to 10 rupees. Then what will be the quantity? Obviously this is the basic knowledge. If amount is increases, the quantity will be decreases. So if you see, one quantity is increases with the other quantity decreases. So here potatoes and amount both are in inversely proportional. So we can write potatoes is inversely proportional to amount. If you take the potatoes quantity as x term, amount as y term, that means 5 kgs is as x1, we have to find the x2, amount 8 rupees as y1, 10 rupees as y2. Now apply the formula, x is inversely proportional to y. So what is the formula for inverse proportion? x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. This is the formula. Simply substitute the values of x1, y1 and y2 to find the x2 value. So now substitute 5 into y1 is 8 equal to x2 we have to find. We have to write same like that, into y2 is 10 rupees. So if you see, x2 into 10, this into 10 will go to left side, will become divided by 10. So x2 equal to 5 into 8 by 10. Now we have to cancel 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So x2 is how much? 4. Here what is x2? The quantity. So we can write the final statement as she can buy 4 kgs of potatoes if the price is 10 rupees per kg. If you have any doubt in our problem, you can also cross check. If you see 5 kgs she can buy if the price is 8 rupees per kg. 5 8s are 40. So she has in her hand 40 rupees. Now check 4 kgs she can buy if the price is 10 rupees per kg. So 4 10s are 40. With the same amount she can buy 4 kgs. This is our answer. Now see the second question. A camp has food stock for 500 people for 70 days. If 200 more people join the camp, how long will the stock last? So if you see, 500 people, it will come up to 70 days. If 200 more people join means, that means here is the trick. 200 more people join means we have to add this 200 to actual 500 people. So here let's see the solution. Here the given quantities are people and days. First we have to write those two quantities. So for 500 people, how many days the food stock lasts? 70 days. Let's write here people 500, days 70 days. Next 200 more people join the camp. So we have to add the 200 more to the original people. That means 500 plus 200. It will give 700 people. So for the 700 people, how many days the food stock lost? That we have to find out. So if you see from the basic, we can say if the people are increases from 500 to 700, then food stock will lost for number of days will obviously decreases. If the people are increases, the days will decreases. So we can write people is inversely proportional to days. If you take people as x terms and days as y term. So assume 500 as x1, 700 as x2. For days, 70 days as y1, y2 we have to find how many days. So we can write x is inversely proportional to y. What is the formula here? x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. This is the formula for inverse proportion. Now substitute the values of x1, x2 and y1 to get the value of y2. 500 into y1 is 70 equal to x2 is 700 into y2 we have to find. If you see here 700 into y2, this into 700 will go to left side, it will become divided by 700. So y2 equal to 500 into 70 by 700. If you see 70 ones are 70 tens are 700. 0 0 can get cancelled in both numerator and denominator. So what is the remaining terms? y2 equal to just 50. That means here y2 is what? 50 days. We can write the final statement as, therefore for 700 people, food stock will last for 50 days. This is our solution. So like this, if they given any two quantities, we can say that is in direct proportion or inverse proportion. So from the formula, we can find out the unknown value from given three values. Next one, third problem. 36 men can do a piece of work in 12 days. In how many days 9 men can do the same work? So here also they given two quantities. One is men and another one is days. So let's write the two quantities, men and days, number of days. So first, for 36 men can do a piece of work in 12 days. So we have to write 36 men. How many days they will complete the work? 12 days. Next, if 9 men can do the same work, in how many days they will complete? This is the problem. So if you see, the men are decreases from 36 to 9. So obviously the number of days will take to complete the work will increase from 12 days to whatever it is. Yes or no, ma'am? If the men is decreases, the number of days will increase. So here if you see, men is inversely proportional to days. We can write x is inversely proportional to y. So the formula for inverse proportion is x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. So take men as x, number of days as y. 36 x1, 9 men x2. Next, 12 days as y1, y2 we have to find out. Substitute the values of x1, x2, y1 to find the value y2. 36 into 12 equal to 9 into y2. This into 9 will come to left side, will become divided by 9. So y2 equal to 36 into 12 by 9. So we can cancel this in 9 table. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. So what is the remaining terms? y2 equal to 4 into 12. So 12 fours are 48 days. So how many days? 9 men can complete the same work in 48 days. So final statement is 9 men can do the same work in how many days, ma? 48 days. This is our answer. Next, fourth problem. A tank can be filled by 5 pipes in 80 minutes. How long it will take to fill the tank by 8 pipes of same size? So here how many quantities is given? 2 quantities. One is number of pipes, that is 5 and 8, and time taken to fill the tank, that is 80 minutes. Another time you have to find out. So see the solution. We have to write the given quantities, that is number of pipes and time taken to fill the tank. So first case, 5 pipes. So with the 5 pipes, how much time it take to complete, that means filled the tank? 80 minutes. So next, with the help of 8 pipes, how much time it will take to fill the tank? So this is the basic thing. If number of pipes is increases, then the time taken to fill the tank is obviously decreases. The pipes are increased from 5 to 8, so the time will decreases to fill the tank from 80 minutes to whatever it is. So we have to take pipes as x, time as y. So x1 is 5, x2 is 8, y1 is 80 minutes, y2 we have to find. So we can write pipe is inversely proportional to time, that is x is inversely proportional to y. So what is the formula for inverse proportion? x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. Now we have to substitute the values of x1, x2, y1 to get the value y2. x1 is 5 into y1 is 80 equal to x2 is 8 into y2 we have to find. This into 8 will come to left side, will become divided by 8. So we can write y2 equal to 5 into 80 by 8. We can cancel 8 ones are 8 tens are 80. So what is the remaining terms? 5 into 10, 5 tens are 50. So y2 is what? Time. So we have to write 50 minutes. So with the 5 pipes, the time taken to fill the tank is 80 minutes. So if the pipes is increases, that means for 8 pipes, the time will decreases to 50 minutes. So we can write the last and final statement as 8 pipes can fill the tank within 50 minutes. This is our final solution. So this is our today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts or if you want any video with the solution, you can comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then please go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.